What's up, guys? So the last place you saw us, we were down at the pull apart with some fucking shenanigans. It's pretty fun. We pulled a 5.3 out of a Suburban or a Tahoe or something. Jesus, it was not really the plan, but we couldn't find shit else. So now we're over here at Johnson's Do-Yourself Garage. Let me get you guys bam. This is the place down here in Clarksville, Tennessee. Craft Street is over there. And then you have what turns into Wilma Rudolph on the front side over there. These guys have an awesome little shop, man. So check it out. We got 1, 2, we got 3 lifts. 1, 2, 3, we got 4 lifts. They got tools that you need to work on your car, man. There's some tire equipment, welders, man, whatever you need. So we're just gonna kind of get in here and talk about the car. We're gonna be checking out the Shitbox today. As you can see, we already got it in here on the lift. Whoop, Shitbox. And kind of address maybe some stuff that we're trying to still do and what we've done already. So in the front, we got, well, let me go to the other side. We got power stop brakes on it already, new pads, new lower control arms. What the hell are they? Oh, Godspeed Mono SS coilovers, fully adjustable. And what else? We got new knuckles, ball joints, and that's on both sides. Got the nice pink color on them. I like it. And I did recently put the actual speed sensors in there, but they're nicely put in, you know, with some zip ties. And we forgot the freaking bolts at the house.
Got them.
We forgot the bolts at the house, so we're gonna have to put them in when we get back home. I did find those at the pull apart. What?
Fucking drinks again.
Oh yeah, we didn't bring none to drink, so. But so far, then we got our awesome flex pipe exhaust. So if you guys watched the other video, I'm gonna put it in the thing at the end. And you see it's like leaking the water out here, a little weep hole. It's good for it. That way it don't rust. I'm sure the water just sits in here too when it condensates.
Especially right here.
So it's gonna rust out right here first, but.
It's right here.
And then on the back we got the Godspeed springs and these shocks, fully adjustable and everything. This one has a speed sensor or an ABS sensor. I believe it works too. And then over here, this one we got to put back in.
Oh, it's got a tow hook.
Oh, we may be able to put that sensor in there. It looks like it goes through.
Oh, that's all right there.
Yeah. That's the one I couldn't find the other bolt. Yeah, remember we jacked it up on that and it bent.
Oh yeah.
We put the jack stand on it so we can get the jack out because this part's too low to put a jack when it's on the ground.
We didn't put it on this plate right here.
Well, we wanted to put it here, but then the jack was stuck.
Yeah.
So we had to jack it up, put a jack stand under the tow hook so we can get the jack back out. Sucks that you can't take this out. I mean, it'll fit the battery in there though. And we got the gas tank right there. All right, well, that's pretty much what we've done so far. We got full suspension under the car. Obviously we got to address some issues as fog light harnesses that are barely existing. I think this shorts out when it hits the ground and stuff and in the rain, so it'll flash lights on the dash. The bumper, we'll probably put some fog lights in it. Let me get the light back on, boom. We'll probably put some fog lights in there. Honestly, not too worried about this part. Oh, there's the other tow hook spot. We gotta get one of those cool tow hooks, dude.
Oh yeah, totally.
It's like JDM Life or whatever.
Just get a big stud.
No. We gotta get a big bolt that comes out here that says JDM Life on a tag.
What's either that or like
this car is literally meant to just piss people off.
A big stud and then just a fat ass Corvus.
I think we definitely need to get a new alternator bracket.
Yeah,
that's it.
Definitely the alternator.
Altitator. Oh, there's another light bulb right here.
Is it actually in there?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah, probably don't work though.
Oh, no.
Oh, only one of my horns work because it sounds eh. But as you guys can see, not a lot of leakage. We got some leakage on that boot right there. Probably get some beefier axles at some point. We are gonna do a clutch, flywheel job, and
Eventually turbo.
Yeah, turbo. Legitimate exhaust on it. Not this flexi pipe. What else? Oh, the mounts in the front we're gonna do. I know. They're the Ryobi ones?
Yeah.
Something like that? Hell yeah. But yeah, we're gonna do a dog bone and both engine and transmission mounts up top. Yeah, that's. I just wanted to show you guys kind of what's going on with this car, as we do have, dang, blindness. That's what's happening. As we do have a lot of stuff coming up for this car that we want to share with you guys. Let me see. Anything else I'm really missing? What? Oh, no, I rotated the tires.
Did you?
That's why these are brand new and the back ones are half worn. But they wore pretty evenly.
Yeah, no, that's what I was looking at.
The camber and stuff on the car is not bad. So these ones that had a couple burnouts, so they're about half worn, but they're wearing nice and even, no choppiness really.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
you can feel it right here a little bit.
Yeah.
But that's just because of the toe, I think. Because the toe is off just a hair in the front. Well, heck, I guess that's what we can do. So,
Right now?
we got tools, and we can do a freaking toe adjustment in what? It'll take fucking 10 minutes. Because it does pull to the right, just a hair. So, I think we need to put it on the ground, turn the freaking steering wheel straight, and then adjust it all from there so the steering wheel's freaking straight. Home alignment, number 2. At Johnson's Do-It-Yourself Garage. So, we'll see y'all in a minute. We'll let the car down and go from there. That's really exciting when it comes down. Alrighty, car's back down a little bit.
Real straight, dude.
Is it really?
Yeah.
All right, well, this tire does definitely need to be adjusted out. No alignment rack, because we already know this doesn't have any freaking camber, and it definitely has almost no caster. So the adjustment will literally be only toe. Everything else should be good. So.
Space.
What?
Not enough SD card space.
What are you talking about?
Not enough SD card space.
It's recording right now.
Oh.
So we did the toe adjustment. Hopefully the steering wheel is straight and this thing drives straight down the road. Y'all will find out.
They mud flap off a tractor trailer. It makes the mud flap.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. A skid plate. Yeah. You can reel those. That's why I made my skid plate out
So
of.
the other planes for the car have changed a little bit. We're gonna do like a black on black on black, where we're gonna get all this stuff cleaned up, all this dirt. And we are going to do a small spacer kit on the rear wheels to get them a little bit more flush with that fender. We're gonna do maybe in the front too to get a little more flush. We're gonna get different wheels, but I think in the offset's different, so I may not even need spacers to bring this out just a hair.
Right.
Because on the back I need spacers. And then I can run the different lug nuts too, because you can't fit factory lug nuts or sockets in there. Like the sockets that fit, even on the factory lug nuts, you can't get them into here.
So trash.
Yeah, and that's what I'm saying. We got these terrible little freaking lock and lug bolts in there, and man, they're trash because you can't put regular bolts into these wheels. The sockets don't fit the holes. Yeah, I guess I'm going down. What? You gotta hit the lever.
It's time to get drunk.
Beer 30, I guess. We'll rip it. The speed sensors do work. It never sets a code anymore. Y'all saw it. They're zip tied on, so we just gotta get the little bolts in there. Just gotta jack up each side. It sucks because at home we gotta take the fucking tire off. Oh damn. Still got the new additions to the car here. Little shits all over the shit box, man. So other than that, hey, go on. If you want a sticker, ask me. You can get a sticker. And on the inside, really nothing special. It's just clean. The steering wheel is straight though.
Yeah.
I'm very happy. Oh, that's so much better, you can tell. Oh yeah, that's way better. You probably can't tell on the GoPro, but it's a lot better. Maybe we can drive straight now. But alrighty guys, so big shout out to Johnson's here, letting us use their little shop. I mean, paying for it, but still, you know, it's a convenient place to have around, where if you don't have a lot of money, all you can do is buy the parts. You can come here and you can pay $20, you know, stick around here for an hour, change your oil, you know, whatever that you're doing. Very, very friendly folks. You know, they're awesome people. And they got all the tools you need to kind of do what you need to do. Anything from, you know, welders to cherry pickers, lifts, you name it. You know, they got it. If you do need something else, sure that you can figure that out. But mountain balance tires, man, pretty nice little place. But
Plenty of fans too.
yeah, plenty of fans, keep cool.
Press out, you can press bearings too.
Oh yeah, they got a press, so you press out your bearings and stuff. Well, 20-ton shop press. What we got over here? Old 454 or something. That's
Fucking gigantic.
it's a small block. No, it's not. That's a big block.
Big block.
No, it's oh, it's a diesel.
Yeah, I don't think it's a gas.
I was gonna say big block.
It's
Not a big block, just a diesel. I saw the injector holes. I was like, what the fuck? Like, why are the valves like that? Yep. Hell yeah.
And the 7-gallon oil tank.
Right. Yeah. Heck yeah, guys. Well, for now, we're gonna see you later. We're probably back at the house. We're gonna maybe do a little bit of stuff on the Shitbox. But for now, we will catch you guys later. And we'll see you in the next one.